Hey, it's Lise from Holini, the Google Premier Partner AdWords and Analytics Agency. Today we'll learn how to add ad group level negative keywords to your single keyword ad groups. So just keep watching, and if you have any questions at all, just post them in the comments below. Let's get started.
You must have put a lot of effort into creating your single keyword ad groups, but you might be seeing that your search terms are triggering the wrong keywords. You can check this from the Search Terms report, found under the Keywords tab. Even if you have added a keyword that exactly matches the search someone does, they could be shown the ad triggered by a more broad keyword. For example, if you have the keyword extra ripe bananas in exact match in your account and someone searches for extra ripe bananas, they could be shown the ad you have created for the keyword ripe bananas or bananas in phrase match. These both also, so to say, catch the search phrase extra ripe bananas. I'll add a link that explains different match types and how they work in the description bar below. Obviously, none of the latter mentioned ads would be as relevant to the search as the ad specifically created for the keyword extra ripe bananas would be. Here's where ad group level negative keywords come in. And here's a scheme explaining how they work. Feel free to pause the video and study this for a second or two. So, all clear? As mentioned, several keywords in your account could be eligible to catch one search phrase. The solution? Adding ad group level negative keywords. You can exclude the search phrase extra ripe bananas from triggering ads from the bananas or ripe bananas ad groups, and vice versa. So the person searching for extra ripe bananas would be shown the ad specifically created for that search phrase. And here's how to make all this happen. First, download AdWords Editor. It's easiest to just Google AdWords Editor, and the first search result is the one. I'll now move on to show you everything in the editor itself. Once the download is complete, click the Add button and sign in with your Google account. Choose your account and click Download All Campaigns. Open your account by double-clicking on it, and to always make sure you have the latest version of your account in the editor, click Get Recent Changes and choose More Data Slower. This way, your entire account's latest state is downloaded to the editor. Now, on to the actual negative keyword adding. Navigate to the Keywords and Targeting section and choose the Keywords submenu. Select all your keywords by clicking on one keyword, then Command-A or Control-A to select all, and Command-C or Control-C to copy, and paste it all to Excel or a Google spreadsheet using Command-V or Control-V. Once you have pasted all keywords in Excel or a similar spreadsheet program, you can delete all columns except the keyword column. Then remove all duplicate keywords by using the Remove Duplicates functionality, and if you have any broad match modified keywords in your account, use the Find and Replace function to remove all the plus signs. Then again, make sure you have no duplicate keywords. Now, select all the keywords in Excel or whatever spreadsheet program you're using and copy them. And back to AdWords Editor. Navigate to the Keywords Negative submenu, click the Make Multiple Changes button, and in the pop-up that opens, choose Use Selected Destinations and Add as Ad Group Level Negative Keywords. Then check all the campaigns that you're adding your ad group level negative keywords to. Presumably all your active campaigns, as you selected all your keywords in a previous step. Later, if you add a new campaign, then you can select all keywords again, as described before, but add them only to the newly created campaign. So here you'd need to only check the new campaign. Now, click Paste from Clipboard or Command-V or Control-V, choose Keyword in the drop-down menu. This lets editor know what data it is that you're importing. And finally, click Process. This processing can take a while, as the number of total keywords that is added is typically very big. After all, in the case of using single keyword ad groups, it's the square of the number of your keywords. It's totally normal if it is a six-figure number, for example. And once done, click Finish and Review Changes. Now click Keep. All your added keywords are selected and active by default. Once you have clicked Keep, you can change the match type to Exact. This makes sure that you're only excluding the exact match version of all your keywords in all other keywords ad groups. You will now get red alerts indicating that you have added negative keywords to ad groups that include the same keyword. You don't want to exclude the very same keyword from triggering ads that you have created the ad group for. For example, if you have an ad group called Bananas that includes the keywords bananas in 3 match types, exact match, phrase match, and broad match modified, you don't want the exact match keyword bananas to be a negative keyword in the same ad group. You want all keywords in your account except bananas to be ad group level negative keywords in this ad group. So to fix this, click the alert column title icon to order the negative keywords by the ones that have the red alert. The number of keywords with the red alert should equal the number of keywords that you selected to be added earlier in this tutorial. Now, select all the keywords with the red alert by clicking on the first one, holding down the Shift key and clicking on the last keyword with the red alert. You now have all the alerted keywords selected. Simply click Remove or your backspace key. All the keywords with the red alert should be deleted. And now click Check Changes. You should presumably not get any errors. It can take a while though. If all is good, you can click Post and all this will be posted to your AdWords account. If you do get an error and don't know how to solve it, just write your issue in the comments below and I promise I'll help you out. You can now double check everything by logging into your AdWords account and navigating to one of any ad groups that you presumably added all these negative keywords to. You should see something like this. You can now also use the Find function to check that this list does not include the very same keyword that the ad group includes. For example, if you have an ad group called Bananas that includes the keyword bananas in 3 match types, exact match, phrase match, and broad match modified, you don't want bananas to be a negative keyword in the same ad group. You want all keywords in your account except bananas to be ad group level negative keywords here. So now, when you look at your search terms report in a few days, you should be able to see that the search terms that trigger your keywords should match them more and there should be less account level competition between keywords. No longer should you encounter a situation where you have the keyword extra ripe bananas in your account, but when someone searches for extra ripe bananas, they might be shown the ad you have created for the keyword bananas or ripe bananas instead. You want to show people the most relevant ad possible that is triggered by the most relevant keyword. Why else would you have put so much effort into creating single keyword ad groups in the first place?
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Again, as said before, if you have any questions at all, just post them in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you wouldn't miss any future videos on all things Google AdWords and analytics. Happy AdWordsing!